Here are 5 of the worst transmissions, and number 5 is the real nightmare. Number 1. Ford Powershift DPS6, used in Ford Fiesta and Ford Focus, 2011 to 2016. This transmission shakes, shudders, slips, cries, panics, and then quits, all before you hit 40,000 miles. It changes gears like it's having a full-blown identity crisis. Some cars even stall like they saw a ghost. This thing shifts like it's guessing, and always wrong. Number 2. GM 6-speed, 6T40 and 6T45, used in Chevy Cruze, Equinox, Malibu, and GMC Terrain. Wave plate snaps like cheap aluminum foil. No reverse, no power, no dignity. Slips like a wet soap bar. Overheats if you look at it wrong. It doesn't drive. It just gives up slowly, one gear at a time. Number 3. Honda early CVT, 2001 to 2005 era. Used in Civic Hybrid, Accord Hybrid, some early Civics and Fits. Metal shavings everywhere like confetti at a wedding. Belts explode. Fluid burns. Surges, slips, and then commits self-destruction. Honda said eco-friendly. The transmission said eco-finally, I'm done. This CVT taps out faster than a UFC rookie fighting John Jones. Number 4. Jeep 9-speed, ZF9. Used in Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Renegade, Chrysler 200. Jumps gears like it's parkour training. Drops into neutral randomly like it's giving up on life. Jerks so hard your neck cracks before the warranty does. This thing doesn't shift. It teleports into disappointment. Number 5. Nissan Jatco CVT, used in Altima, Rogue, Sentra, Versa, Pathfinder, basically half the Nissan family. This transmission overheats if you breathe near it. Whines louder than a broke college student. Belts stretch, pulleys wear, fluid cooks, and at 60,000 miles it files for retirement. If your car has one of these transmissions, don't walk. Run to the nearest dealership. Follow me before you buy a car that shifts worse than your auntie's cooking moods.